Hi, I'm Josh and today I'm making takeaway style chicken tikka biryani. This recipe uses my pilau and tikka recipes. The links for each are below. Cook the onions on a medium-high heat until starting to crisp, stirring frequently. Turn the heat down to medium, add the garlic paste and chillies, mix through and allow to cook for 30 seconds. In with the watered down tomato paste and mix through for 30 seconds to reduce the bitterness. Add the spice mix, salt, cumin seeds and methi. Mix through well and allow to simmer for a minute. Add around 1/4 cup of water to make more sauce to coat the rice. Add in the rice, sliced chicken tikka and most of the fresh chopped coriander. Stir through well and allow to cook through for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring gently but frequently. Sprinkle over the remaining fresh chopped coriander and garam masala. Stir through and serve. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.